Good morning. Thanks for your company this Thursday, the 8th of October. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, overnight US equities got a kick after US President Donald Trump backpedaled in a tweet urging Congress to approve COVID-19 stimulus measures, like specifically airline support for small businesses, and a $1,200 payment to individuals. We also learnt that Trump has now been symptom-free for 24 hours, so that added to the positive sentiment. United Airlines and Delta lifted about 4%, Boeing shares soaring about 3%. Cruise operators also stemming ahead, seeing significant gains on stimulus hopes. Carnival up 5.3% and Norwegian Cruise Lines followed, and proving that the risk-on switch has indeed been turned back on. We also saw consumer discretionary stocks get a healthy kick. Gap, Netflix and Etsy all saw gains of about 6% each. Now, all in all, the major benchmark indices all saw strong gains. The S&P up 1.7%. The Dow Jones 30 up 1.9% or 530 points. That's the blue chip index best gain since July, so quite notable. While the tech-heavy Nasdaq also echoed the same gain, 1.9% higher. What to watch today? Well, the Aussie market looks like it'll have another positive day. A lift of 0.4% is suggested if you go by the futures. So far, Monday to Wednesday, the market is already up 4.3%, and that's our best gain that we've seen in 20 weeks. The key, of course, will be sustaining that, and if cyclical and consumer discretionary stocks continue to rally today. On the commodity side of things, a bit of a mixed bag of news overnight. The oil price is back above $40 US, despite having quite a bumpy night. The gold price has slipped almost 3% in 2 days. It's now $1,890 US an ounce on the back of stimulus hopes. So the safe haven commodity is losing a touch of its shine, with traders instead ploughing into equities. Companies going ex-dividend today. Two of them to watch include Pengana International Equities, PIA is their ticker code, and ARB. Now, ARB was initially one of yesterday's best performing stocks. Its shares popped to an all-time high after the car accessory business reported a sales surge of 18% in the September quarter. But today, ARB could see a bit of a pullback as companies traditionally trade lower on ex-dividend days. Trading ideas that could be worth a look. Well, CBA was reiterated as a bell potter buy with a price target of $73.50, suggesting it'll rally 11% from yesterday's close, supported by the budget that'll help individuals, pensioners and businesses, with bell potters saying all the stimulus will indirectly support the biggest of the big four banks in Australia. And secondly, UBS has called out Saracen SAR as a buy with a $6.75 target following the proposed merger with Northern Star. Now, the merger, quite rare, has clear and material benefits. Now, UBS says if the merger does go ahead with NST SAR, the combined entity will save $1.5 to $2 billion before tax in total over 10 years, and that amounts to $150 to $200 million per annum. So almost $2 billion in savings over 10 years, $200 million per annum. UBS also estimates the longer-term gold price will be around $1,900 US an ounce. Lastly, keep an eye on JB Hi-Fi, Nick Scali, that's NCK, and Vita Group, VTG, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. Happy trading, stay safe.